Well, here we go. Having a breakfast beer. It's Sunday. It's 9 divided by 11, but that doesn't come out to any sort of reasonable number. And here we are with the aftermath. Still a mess here and that. TV has been taken down from its perch and took it apart over here. And basically, it's knackered. It is knackered. I looked at it. I didn't really find anything particularly wrong. There's no cracked circuit boards or anything like that. But I did find this thing without the paper. That's actually a resistor. And I hooked it up because it actually had fallen off of where it attaches to on the board. And when I hooked that up, it started sparking and wanted to set the house on fire. So I said, shit, that's not going to work. So that's probably going to be about the end for it. I disconnected the degaussing coil, reseated all the connections. I even mushed on the high voltage thing over there a little better, reseated the circuit board on the back of the tube, and it's just dickered. It's just, it's actually knackered is what it is. So yeah, it's fucked, and that's that. And back over at Fail Blog Central. Let's see what's going to happen now. Power them up. I don't know if you can hear that, but that drive is just clicking out of control. And post is going to fail. So I know the hard drive is bad. I got a spare Western 20 gigabyte, you know. I'll have to fucking slam that in there. And I don't even know if I took an image of this thing, so probably going to have to reload it from scratch. I know I was going to take an image, but probably didn't, so that's about the end of that. But anyway, like I said, it is 9 divided by 11, so we're watching the thing here, you know. 10 years since that happened. And the drive will keep clicking for eternity.